Good day, everyone.
Good afternoon, everybody.
My name is Sylvia Moko.
And I'm Ulama Ugu.
Alright, and we work for Xenergi Gas. Xenergi Gas is part of Xenergi Oilfield Services. And we're into two major streams of business: energy fuels and safety devices. Under energy fuels, we process and sell LPG, pure propane, and CNG, otherwise known as methane. And then under the safety devices, we have gas safe, a gas safe device, a gas safe cooker, and biofuel conversion kits. Use of LPG is becoming more and more popular amongst everyone because it's a clean and safe fuel to use. And now, as clean and safe as it is, it can also be quite unsafe when used improperly. It can be quite explosive. It is quite explosive, and so when not used properly, it can be very dangerous. And so today, we're going to talk about a device called gas safe device, because we can't talk about LPG without talking about safety. We're a very safety conscious company, and as I mentioned earlier, we process and sell LPG. So in doing that, we're trying to add value and safety for our customers. Now, in a standard home, we usually have a cylinder with a standard regulator and a cooker. It could be a tabletop or the proper standing cooker, either way. But basically, this is the setup that we have at home, yes. Now, the standard regulator just acts as an open valve for the free flow of gas to the cooker. And when this is on, typical scenario in a standard home: standard regulator, hose, cooker burning, food being cooked. Now, we are aware of the dangers that can happen. Either the hose might cause any form of leakage. Now, if there is a leakage, if this hose comes off for some reason, either through a cut in the pipe or a pull, and it comes out continuously, and it comes out, there is no stopping of the flow of gas. As the hole comes out, the gas still comes out, and you can have possible explosions. Let me show you an example. For example, the hose is out and we still have gas coming out. See the possibility of what might happen if we have a spark. You can still hear the gas. Now, my colleague is there she's going to shut stuff immediately, but just to give you an idea of what could possibly happen if there's a little spark anywhere. Wow, that could have been disastrous.
Of course.
Now, let us show you what our gas safe can do. This is our gas safe device. It's a safety device used on LPG cylinders. And we'll show you how
this gas safe is being fitted on the cylinder this way. First of all, you place the gas safe on the cylinder this way. And then it clamps to the cylinder nozzle. And then you place the normal regulator on top of the gas safe. Okay? And then now, you turn this on, and then the gas safe on as well. But when you do that,
there is no flow of gas
in the cooker. So to activate the flow of gas in the cooker, I have to tap here. And then hear the sound of gas coming out and going to the cooker.
Okay? So now we have our gas safe with the regulator, free flow of gas. Let's repeat the scenario that just took place now. We assume that there was a leak, there was a cut, the hose mistakenly comes off. Immediately, our gas safe automatically shuts off the flow of gas when there is a leakage. There is no leakage. There is no flow of gas. To activate or to allow the flow of gas once again,
I'm going to check it. There is a flow of gas out.
regulated, it cuts off immediately again. Okay? So you should tap it again one more time. Now there is flow of gas. Let's see what happens if there's also a light. That's it. It goes out. It automatically shuts off. Now that is one major feature of our gas safe device. It automatically shuts off any leakage downstream. From the cylinder to the cooker, pipe, hose and pots leaks, it automatically shuts off. Now another wonderful feature of our gas safe device is that it shows you the level of gas in your cylinder. It's just an indicator. It indicates when you have full, half full or almost empty. It's just an indicator to show you that you have gas in the cylinder, and that's the gauge that shows there. Thirdly, and another beautiful and very interesting feature of our gas safe device is that it helps you save gas. It saves between 15 to 20% of gas. How does it do this? It regulates the flow of the gas to the burners. It's just not an open valve that just allows excess gas to come and burn off. It actually regulates the flow to exactly what is needed at the burners. Typical example, if you have a cylinder here with our gas safe device connected to this burner, we have another cylinder without the gas safe device connected to this burner. Both of them, let's assume boiling water let's assume it takes 15 minutes to boil. They will both boil at exactly 15 minutes, but our gas safe cylinder will have used less gas than the cylinder with the normal standard regulator. So it truly helps to save gas. And a good way to look at it is that most homes, average homes, use about one cylinder a month. So which means in a year, they should use about 12 cylinders. But with our gas safe, saving between 15 to 20% of your gas, you will use less than 12 cylinders in a year. Maybe between 7 or so cylinders in a year. That is a lot of money being saved. And so, once again, our three wonderful features of our gas safe device. One, stops leakages automatically downstream from the cylinder to the cooker. Two, it indicates the level of gas in the cylinder. And three, it saves gas. So let's be safe with gas safe.